everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of a style of video that I haven't done in a while. But I like to do these from time to time, and it's been a good minute since I got one into review. So, what do I have for everyone? I have my unboxing and first impressions of the Clifton Heritage leather wallet. In particular, this is my favorite style of wallet to use and review. This is a minimalist style wallet, okay? So, if those of you who don't know what a minimalist style wallet is, maybe you have the big beefy wallet that you have a whole bunch of cards in it, you have a whole bunch of cash in it, and it's it takes up one pocket in your wallet, and it's big and clunky. Well, you may want to consider using something like this. This is a minimalist style wallet. It still can hold everything as your traditional wallet can, but it has a much slimmer profile and it's much easier to use. Alright, and this is my previous one that I've been using, but I did get this one in for review, so I figured why not go ahead and shoot the unboxing and first impressions and start using this bad boy. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions of the Clifton Heritage wallet. Now, just because I want to keep it 100, I do want to let you guys and gals know that this did come in for review purposes via the Amazon Vine program. That's right, so I am part of the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? Now that I'm part of the Amazon Vine program, that means that I will occasionally be able to get in different styles of products for review, and all I have to do is write up my full review on Amazon and publish it. So really good stuff there. So I just wanted to let you guys and gals know. Alright, that being said, this did come in the traditional well-packaged Amazon packaging, but as I do in all of my unboxing and first impressions videos, I cracked all the tapes and seals for you guys, and I try to package everything back up the best I can to give y'all that unboxing experience. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so cracking the little seal here, sliding this out, throw that off to the side. We have a little card from Clifton right here. Feel free to pause and read this for yourself. Let me get this in focus. There you go. Letting you know about the quality of their products. So really good stuff. And really happy to see this. This wallet does have RFID blocking technology in it. So for those of you who don't know, RFID blocking technology is a chip or material that blocks certain frequencies from being able to scan your sensitive information. So like your credit card numbers, your driver's license, things of that nature. If you have an RFID wallet or wallet with RFID material, that information cannot be scanned. So what are some technologies that scan your information? Things like NFC, things like Bluetooth, things like Wi-Fi. These are the common three that scan your sensitive information. So if you have a wallet and it's not RFID, you may want to consider picking one up. So really nice to see that it has that RFID blocking technology in it. Really good stuff. Throw this off to the side. Now it comes in this really nice seal. I already cracked the tape on that. Really good stuff. And let's throw this off to the side. And then here is the wallet itself. Okay. So primarily, this is supposed to be the carbon fiber green. It actually looks more like a blue to me. Who knows? I might be slightly colorblind. Let me know what y'all think. But first impressions, I actually like the way this looks. I like the way the leather feels in my hands. Good stuff. Alright? And you can see we have a bunch of pockets on this bad boy. So we got a pocket for our ID right there. And then we got another pocket for our cash right there. And then we got another pocket for some of our cards right here. Flipping it over to the back, we got one pocket, two pockets, three pockets there, and another pocket here. So 3, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7, and this little part for your ID makes 8. So you got 8 pockets that you could put cards, cash, you name it. If it could fit in your wallet, it could fit in here. Alright, so really good stuff there. I really like that. And as y'all can see, if I pull out my old Minimalist wallet for comparison, this bad boy has gotten a ton of usage, and it pretty much has the same layout. So same pockets in the front, same ID slot. Flipping it over to the back, same pockets in the back, same pocket there, and same pocket for cash. So really, really good stuff there. And this one also, I believe, had the RFID material in it. So really nice. Alright, so let's see here. I have some dummy cards here and some stuff, and we're going to see how it fits. So they had these nice little fillers in here. Could throw those off to the side. Alright, take that out. Boom. Alright, so I got some cards here that we can use to check what all can fit in here. So this is how you know when you're a tech head right here. This is a SIM kit, including a SIM removal key. And I got 2 of these. So generally I like to keep these up front, right behind the pocket that has my ID in it. So this will go here. So you can see they slide in no problem. And we're actually going to leave that in there, because that's going to be where that lives. And then I got some rewards cards and some old cards that I don't really use anymore. So let's check these out. So Best Buy rewards card. Now I don't really use this because you go into Best Buy, you just give them your email and they can pull up your account. Old T-Mobile SIM card kit. Don't really use that, but let's see how it fits. So it fits in there real good. Library card. You know, it's good to read. You know, hardcover books, softcover books, it's good to read. You don't have to always read stuff on your phone, even though it's convenient. You can go to the library and read, get books, get DVDs, you know, get out, you know. So that fits in there as well. So it looks like that's getting a little tough. Let's see if we can fit one more in there. So yeah, you can fit about 4 cards in each of these slots, no problem. Let's see how easy it is to take it out. Comes out super easy. So really good stuff. Alright, so cool. That's awesome. So there you go. So pretty much any of your cards should fit in here. Your driver's license, all that good stuff should fit in here. And you have tons of space for everything that you use on a daily basis. Alright? That being said, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of this really cool minimalist style wallet here. Now, my full review for this should be out in about a week from the posting of this video. Alright? Now, it may take a little bit longer because it's going to take me a while to write up a full written review on Amazon with pictures and all. So, if it's a little late, I do apologize. But a week should be a good amount of time, especially for something like a wallet, something that you're forced to use every day. If you don't want to use your phone and put all your information in your phone, and you rather have hard copies of things that you have to use every day, trust me, you use a wallet straight through for a week, and it's definitely going to show some wear and tear after about a week's worth of usage. Alright, so my full review for this minimalist style wallet should be out in about a week from the posting of this video. That being said, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. As always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where you can pick up this wallet at some really great prices in multiple different colors will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And they literally have this in about 7 to 12 different colors, about 7 to 8 different colors. So you should definitely find a color for this wallet that you like. All right, good stuff. And the pricing on this is really, really good, but we're going to save that for the full review. All right. That being said, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary 13 megapixel sensor on the Samsung Galaxy M20 in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. Okay? And all of the audio for this video today was recorded using the Boya BY-MM01 shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall audio and video quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.